Welcome again to the Philip Academy. Today we'll be looking at commercial electricity. And that's what we're going to do in our physics class today, a typical question for our household. Now, in most times, you see people in their houses, they leave their appliances on without making use of them. Little do they know that they are actually consuming energy. And by the end of the day, when the PHCN send a message, oh, this is what you have spent for this period of time, they'll be wondering, how come? But they did not know that instead of putting up their appliances, they leave it on for too long a time. Now let's see a typical question. What do we have here? A landlord has 8 40-watt light bulbs, 110-watt television set, 1 horsepower air conditioner, and a 1,000-watt electric iron. If he uses all of them for 5 hours every day, and the question is, how much will he pay for using these things for 20 days if the PHCN charges 100 naira per unit? Now let's solve this problem. Come with me. Let's see the parameters we have. What do we have? Let's look at it. The light bulbs. Okay, let's see. By solution. Now we have the bulbs. They are 8 in number, and if we multiply the power rating on each of them, which is what? 40 watts. So 8 times 40 will give us 320. In what? In watt. So we're going to do some conversions here. We'll convert this from watt to kilowatt, and that should give us 0.32 in kilowatt. Let's do it again. What else do we have? We have the television set, the TV. The TV is 110 watts. 110 watts. By conversion, it should give us 0.11 in kilowatts. What else do we have? Okay, the AC. Now the AC given to us here is in horsepower. And 1 horsepower is 746 watts. So we'll be having 746 watts, which is equivalent to 0.746 kilowatts. What else do we have? We have electric iron, and that is 1,000 watts, which is equivalent to 1 kilowatt. 1 kilowatt. So let's see, what is the total power ratings of all of these that we have kept on? Okay, what do we have? We've got 6 here in kilowatts. We've got 7 here. What else do we have? Okay, we have 1 here and we have 2 here. So we're having 2.176 in kilowatts. This is what we have. 2.176 in kilowatts. Okay, let's go straight. Let's go straight to solving this problem. Let's go more into this. All right, I'll make use of this. Don't worry, we'll still refer to it as we progress. We'll refer to it as we progress. Okay. So now, energy consumed. Work with me. Energy consumed is usually in kilowatt hour. Okay, and it's a function of the electrical power multiplied by our time. And our electrical power is in kilowatts, while our time is in hour. That is how we get kilowatt hour. Okay, now let's look at it. What did we have previously? We are told that for our time, it is what? 5 hours, these appliances are kept on. And for how long? For 20 days. 20 days. So what do we have in all? How many hours do we spend in all? We are spending 100 hours. This is the time that is used or consumed for what? Putting all of these appliances on. Okay, so what do we do from here? We know the electrical power. We have what? Our time. So let's bring it together. What did we get in the other case? Now let's look at it. Take us back. What did we get? Our value was 2.176 in kilowatts. 2.176 in kilowatts. Now let's go. So our energy consumed is simply, what was our rating? 2.176 in what? In kilowatts. And then what was the time? 100 hours. Okay, so what will this give us? A total of 2. So we should be having 217.6 kilowatt hour. This is what we are getting. That is the energy that is consumed, kilowatt hour. But we are told that the PHCN actually sells a unit of your energy for 100 naira. Now, a unit is the same thing as just saying 1 kilowatt hour. What does it cost? We are told in the question it costs what? 100 naira. So, how much will 217.6 kilowatt hour cost us? It simply costs us 217.6 times 100. So at the end of the day, what will it be? You should be having 21760. So at the end of these 20 days, this landlord will be expected to pay 21,760 naira. This is what he pays for consuming these things for 20 days. We'll stop at this point. See you in our next class. Bye.